Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add your full name in the Rumble app using your Android phone. This process helps you personalize your profile and verify your account details. Just follow each step carefully, and you'll complete it. Open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Tap on the Account tab located at the bottom. Next, tap the Settings icon found at the top right corner. After that, tap on Edit Profile from the menu. Now enter your full name in the provided field. Once done, tap on Save to apply the changes. Soon after, Rumble will send a confirmation email to your registered address. Now, open your email inbox and find the message from Rumble. Then, click on the link labeled Confirmation Account Detail. When prompted, choose to open the link in your browser. Finally, tap on the Confirm button to complete the update. And that's it. Your full name is now updated and confirmed on Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials.